do it. Don't do it.
No.
It's a trap. You secretly got chloroform on there.
Yes, because that's how chloroform works. Just put it on your hands, not a cloth. So he knows how chloroform works. He's involved in the police.
You know how easy it is to buy chloroform?
No?
Really easy. You can get it from gardening stores.
I see.
We shouldn't have told Salvy this.
No, I just like how you guys know this. And then
Well, I was like, I wonder how
Abby,
easy...
be careful.
I was like,
I know you're watching this. He knows how to buy chloroform, it's easy.
well, I can't buy it because I don't really know. I was like, I wonder how easy it would be to just like kidnap someone. Apparently,
Did you just buy the glove of doom?
Mm-hmm.
You did. You did buy the glove of doom.
apparently it's really easy to kidnap someone without them knowing.
What?
Well, no.
We will stop
That's not
talking
what-
at this point.
That's not what chloroform does.
Yeah, it knocks them out.
Yeah, but they
So
still.
you can kidnap them.
But they still know they've been kidnapped. It's not,
Nah.
it's not like
Now what
someone used chloroform. It's like instant roofies.
Now what you do, Eddie, is you knock them out,
There you go.
and then you kidnap them, and then put them back in the exact same place.
Why would you even kidnap? Oh, never mind, Rob. I
You
don't
know what you're gonna do when
I-
you kidnap someone if you use chloroform on them.
Whoa, this rogue kid.
Brah, I call it as I said.
Look at these agents.
You did.
Oh my god, the glove of doom. Did they just all?
They all just
They all
suicided
killed
into
him.
him.
Aww.
Who say? Ah, they were stupid.
Stupid, they're your loyal.
Eddie, I know for a fact there's a skill point if you destroy some of those like robot thingies, like those cars.
What robot?
You can cut the bolts.
Oh, the
first.
flying thing.
Yeah.
There you go. That was a bit weird. There's a chainsaw.
Oh, it's timed.
What is?
You can hear it.
blowing up his hand.
No, was it just then?
I'm watching the feedback on the laptop as it's recording.
It's slightly behind.
Slightly behind and slightly choppy.
It's okay as long as it doesn't turn out choppy. We tested this earlier.
We did. Although not for prolonged periods, but it should be alright. Should be very alright. Should be so alright that, yeah.
That bomb glove!
Oh
There
girl!
are 4 of you, bomb glove. There are 4 of them.
Where did you get the
You
group
know that's the
from?
glove of doom, right?
Oh,
Okay, sorry.
You've been shush. No, Eddie, it's the high pitch thing.
Don't bring that back. Don't do it.
It's so good though, it's so effective.
When you started mimicking me, that was what?
Mimicking, like the ultimate form of troll.
Can I?
I don't think you can make that. I think you need to jump on a log as it's coming.
No,
down.
no.
Wasaki!
You're never gonna make it. Why would you do that?
Oh.
You could have at least got the skill point
What skill point?
for destroying stuff.
I'd already destroyed loads of shit.
You
You
don't
have to
need
destroy
skill
more.
points.
Alright, fine.
That's Salvy.
The gold bolts get you like cubes and stuff.
No.
Like,
The skill points. No.
Can we get anything? Yeah.
No,
Have a look.
we can't.
Have a look.
There's no special at the bottom.
Have a look.
You have to complete the game first.
Have a look.
I'll kill you.
Whoa! Minions.
Attack!
Ooh, so he's turned into a sheep.
Yes. A sheep gun.
Sheep gun.
It's
That's
turned
right.
into a sheepsicle.
Do you guys
No.
think pigs are cute?
No.
Pigs? I don't know, the micro pigs are.
Nah.
Thank you, Eddie. Thank you.
What? The micro pigs?
No.
It's because they're so small, they remind me of those toys.
But they're still pigs.
It's
So?
no. It's like saying that pugs are cute.
Pugs aren't cute.
Pugs are the ugliest things like ever.
Oh my god, Eddie, marry me. You're
Seriously.
so right.
Sarah always goes, "Oh, pugs are so cute." I'm just like, you buy a pug and kill it.
I know, right?
I think it's the illusion of like their size that makes them cute.
Women just want to feel superior, so they need something smaller than themselves.
The thing I hate is when like they see a small object and it's like, oh, it's so cute. It's inanimate. Why is it cute?
I can show you a small object. Oh, I don't know why I like that.
Rob, this level of humor is
I'm getting so smutty today, I swear. It's so bad. What are you even doing?
I don't know. Getting that.
Oh,
Getting it.
getting it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a shame as well, because I know...
Do you have the feeling that'll move?
What?
Yeah, it should.
It should.
Is there anything above it?
Jump on it again, I don't know. Jump on it.
Jump on it. Nah,
Nah, it's cool. Yeah.
Alright, now I wanted minions.
We've nearly unlocked all the guns. What the hell?
Oh, you haven't,
that's just
fool.
quick select. Just quick select, dude.
There's Rob Kid forgetting everything about Ratchet and Clank.
I don't even know what the last boss in this game is.
Eddie.
Really?
Really? Well, I know who the bad guy is.
Oh, good.
But I
Just
don't
checking.
know what the last boss is, like how it's presented.
Actually, I think it's the hardest Ratchet and Clank boss of all.
Of course it is, it's an old game.
20 weapons.
20 weapons. How do you know that? Alright.
Fucking hell, really, bro.
There's 4 on there. Go down. You can have 5x4.
Just a crack button and stuff.
Old games were like way harder.
Dude, Sonic. The old school Sonic that couldn't save. On the Mega Drive, you couldn't save it.
No.
It was stupid. Well, no, it wasn't stupid.
No, it was stupid.
It was amazing.
The fact that you couldn't save, like the only way to get to the end is to keep playing it and then leave it on and hope it didn't burn your house down in the night.
No, you just complete it in one sitting.
You can't do that
Yes, you
because
can.
I always rage quit the casino level because I kept on getting stuck in the.
I always rage quit the bit when you're on the airplane. Like on the outside of the airplane, just land over. Past that bit.
No, that Sonic you could save. That was on the.
No, he's on. I think it's.
No, there's checkpoints, but you can save.
Yeah, there's checkpoints.
Yeah, but you can save. Like, you can go back to it later. I think it was on the Sega?
Yes, Rob.
Sega Dreamcast?
No, it was on the N64.
I
No,
didn't have an
no.
N64 when I was younger.
No,
yeah,
it's-
it was Dreamcast.
I had a family member who had one.
What?
I don't know.
The skill point. It must be from destroying the thing. Never mind. Wing. Oh, vehicle bomber. You got a trophy. Good job, Eddie. Good job.
Yeah.
I remember playing Diddy Kong Racing on N64. That was like the first game I ever played on it, and it was so good. Like, I love Diddy Kong Racing.
I played like Mario Kart for the first time on an N64, and I was like, I need an N64, Mom. I want to get the Super Nintendo.
I never played the first Mario Kart. Apparently it was quite good. Holds up quite well.
You can get the you know the Sonic that we're talking about with the casino level.
Yeah.
Oops. I think it's just called Sonic the Hedgehog.
It is.
You can get that on the Xbox 360.
Yeah, I don't want it.
I don't like imports of like retro games.
No, it's really good.
I bought it on my iPod Classic when I had it.
What, the 3D one?
I think it's a 3D one.
The one that you guys are talking about with the casino?
Nice.
That's
No.
not.
There's like a casino level on like the first ever Sonic Hedgehog game.
Yeah, it's the second level.
Yeah.
You go to a casino.
Whoa.
And it's high. This has got really cool music. I think.
What?
That wanted. Fair wanted. I've completely lost what we're doing here. What are we doing here?
It's following the level.
Yeah, but why?
Why not?
What is our...
What's the objective?
Yeah.
Well, he got the info bot before. Now he's. How about you just wait and find out, Rob? Surprise! Yay!
Surprise! I hate surprises. I like to know what's going on. What are you doing? You okay?
Look, there's a star.
Ah! The legendary drops.
He's exploring the mills.
Yeah.
Confront the lieutenant about something.
The info bot. I can play the info bot for you if you like.
Let's not put the viewers through that. I'm just going to put them through my...
Look at his head. Oh, never mind. Put it back in. Oh,
Yeah, right.
What's happening?
It's 24.
I'll pop down to the bike shop in like 50 minutes.
Well, shall we do 21 minutes and call it an even 2 hours? Alright.
You can call it whatever you want.
Well, it'll only take me like 10 minutes to go down there, so we could always just record after.
Sure.
It's up to you.
Charge!
That's a big one.
But 2 hours of Ratchet and Clank is like 8 episodes. So
Yeah.
Assuming you use all 2 hours, which you probably will actually.
probably will.
Yeah, there's not a lot of excess in the old school games.
And I do have.
I thought you used the blaster.
I have a bunch of games for us to play as well that we can.
Oh look, stuff.
Stop! Jump!
Stuff and
Don't
things.
tell him what to do.
I'm not telling you, I'm telling Eddie.
I said him.
It's not all about you, Sal.
I said him.
Not all about you.
I'll kill you.
Please don't. Ah! Stop doing that.
Just go and sleep.
I know, and I don't want to. Look at
Oh,
that
he's
guy.
taunting you.
He's the boss.
I was gonna say he doesn't care. He doesn't give a shit about fire.
He totally cares, he's just putting on a brave face.
It was like, ha ha ha.
It's like when you step into a hot bath, you think you can take it, and then you realise like,
You
no,
can't-
then
you
you
can't
gotta
take
jump out.
Yeah.
God, I haven't had a bath in years.
we can tell.
Wow! Dick. I'm gonna propose a question to you guys.
No.
Please?
Yeah. I was answering the question.
Go on.
I think I may have asked Salvy, so feel free to answer. You don't know the thing that I'm about to ask.
Okay.
So you're trapped in a room. Okay?
The third one.
So,
Well, trapped in a room with a gorilla. Okay? A pissed off gorilla. There's nothing in the room, and you can't escape the room. But you do have the ability to clone yourself as many times as you want. Okay? How do you kill the gorilla? There's a couple of things you've got to factor in. One, the size of the room isn't infinite, so you can't just have an infinite amount of yourselves. And two, the gorilla will try and kill anything around you. So how do you tackle on this gorilla?
Well, you just keep on cloning yourself until you have enough. You do trial and error.
What do you try and
well, you start with one clone.
And you pit them against the gorilla.
See if you can fight the gorilla.
No, the single clone cannot fight the gorilla, even a couple.
Why not? You want to test out your clone's ability.
Yeah.
Sometimes you think like I can
Clone
take
is
on,
you.
I will look at the gorilla and think I can take you on, but just in case.
You cannot fuck up a gorilla.
Clone.
A gorilla will fuck you up.
Look, I know that, but I'd like to think I can do this.
So how many clones are you going to send to this gorilla before you figure out maybe I can't kill a gorilla?
But when you
No,
realise that 10 at once isn't good enough,
No, then
With
you go
your
to
bare
20.
hands. You've
Yeah.
got no weapon.
That's fine, you just
Okay.
strangle.
You can't strangle a gorilla, it would just go
well,
Wah!
then
No,
I'll go
that-
all like cannibal
no,
on it and
that's-
just like munch on his neck.
That's why you get
Munch.
enough people to hold it down.
You can't hold down a gorilla.
What if there are 30 of you?
Then I think a gorilla could probably have power.
I
Look.
don't know.
I'm gonna go all Dragon Ball, like, and have instead of doing the after image, there's gonna be like 30 me's, like all, doing all this double team shit, just coming in with like flying kicks from every angle.
So you're going to try and confuse it.
Exactly. And then there's gonna be one of me that comes in with a flying kick, just straight at its throat.
Right.
That should kill it.
Eddie, do you still do judo or whatever?
Karate. No.
Karate.
I want to go back there because
You like beating people up.
Suck it in with the
Nah.
suck it. You got a new weapon, use it.
no, I never really beat people up when I.
Doesn't man go to something?
Use your new weapon.
Or you
No,
just-
man did
More time.
Did
Muay Thai.
he?
Yeah, I did Muay Thai with him for a bit, but
Look at that vortex though.
it was alright, but it wasn't like super
No.
amazing.
It's empty, I don't want to keep him with me, he says.
What belt did you get to, Eddie?
Brown and black, so one away from black.
Really?
Mhm.
Wow.
That was good. I did competitions and everything.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Should face Salvy.
No, Salvy's done it for a lot longer and would beat me.
Oh, but you're a lot more crackhead.
That is a good point.
You're
The
raw
crackhead.
ferocity.
Admittedly, I do have the size and weight,
Salvy's
probably
technique.
speed advantage as
Yeah,
well.
you have passion.
But Eddie will go Goku on me and he's like, No matter how badly the odds, he will defeat me.
No. He's Vegeta. He's just.
No.
He's fueled by
In
rage.
this point, I'm Vegeta, and he's Goku. Like.